Well, friends, I've had an incredibly busy week. This job came back in. I had built the interior of this leg set here, and it was too flexy for the guy, so he wanted me to add these trusses. That was actually a pretty quick job, but I had so much other work. So apparently Paul Jackman was in town. I was driving down the road the other day and I saw this gig car. This is one of those rent by the hour electric cars. One thing about these cars, they have a roof rack on them, and what passes me but here, take a look. If you were with me last week, I was talking about the ceramic knife. Well, it turns out everything just fell into place. I have the metal to make the form, and I have the hydraulic press to press the zirconium oxide into the form. I have the zirconium oxide, and I found a kiln. The kiln is going to open up a lot of projects for the channel here. I've got a lot of things in mind for this, and you're going to love this kiln when it actually arrives. So be sure to click the bell down below so you get a notification when I release a new video. That's all I got for you this time. Click up here to see my last video. Click over here to see something in mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.